If you're thinking about investing online, Firstrate is one platform you've probably heard about, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another brokerage, when in reality Firstrate offers commission-free trading, robust tools, and features designed to help both beginners and experienced investors. Firstrate allows you to trade stocks, ETFs, options, and mutual funds with zero commissions, which is a huge advantage for cost-conscious investors. They also offer extended trading hours, allowing you to react to news outside regular market times. Their interface is clean and easy to navigate, with charts, technical analysis tools, and research reports built in. One standout feature is Firstrate's international offerings. You can trade U.S.-listed securities as well as certain foreign markets, which isn't common for most beginner-friendly brokerages. They also have retirement accounts like IRAs, so you can combine everyday investing with long-term planning. On the downside, Firstrate's customer service is solid, but not exceptional compared to industry leaders. Some advanced traders might find the platform lacks certain sophisticated tools like algorithmic trading or margin analytics. Also, mobile users should be aware that while the app is functional, it's not as polished as top-tier competitors. In conclusion, Firstrate is an excellent choice for beginner to intermediate investors who want commission-free trading, easy-use tools, and a platform that covers both domestic and international investing. It's cost-effective and straightforward, making it perfect for starting your investment journey. If this honest review helped you, subscribe for more investment platform insights so you can trade smarter.